Excuse me, could you move to the side?
Wait, I need a few more seconds.
Please keep the church entrance clear. Good morning. Welcome to our church.
I do not need that. Just tell me where to sit. A polite greeting only takes a moment.
Please put your phone on silent before you enter.
No, I may get an important call. A loud phone can disturb the service. Excuse me, I need this seat because walking is difficult. I am already sitting here. Find another seat.
Please use a regular seat and leave this one available.
This section is kept for guests who need easier access. I am comfortable here. She can sit somewhere else. Ma'am, you may use my seat. I am happy to move. Thank you. Could you please put the gum away? The service is beginning. It is only gum. I am not bothering anyone.
The sound is carrying across the pews. Please stop.
Your phone is ringing. Please silence it. I need to answer. This call may be important. Please use the lobby if the call cannot wait. Hello? Yes, I am inside church, but I can still talk. Please lower your voice. We are still praying. Then focus on your own prayer and ignore me.
Please end the call, or continue it quietly in the lobby.
Do not tell me when I have to end my call. Everyone in this section can hear you.
Please save the snack until the sermon is finished.
I am hungry now. I will eat when I want. Please place your wrapper in the trash bin. You work here. Cleaning it is your job.
We should all clean up our own mess.
Please do not write in that book. Everyone uses it. It is one small mark. Nobody will notice. Shared church books should be treated with care. Please sing the hymn respectfully. I am making this slow song more interesting. Please stop. This area is not open during the service. I only want to look at it more closely. These items should not be touched without permission. Is this message going to continue much longer?
Please return to your seat so everyone can listen.
The message has already gone on long enough.
Excuse me, we have been waiting in this line.
I do not want to wait behind all these people.
Please return to the end and wait for your turn.
Excuse me, we were already waiting here.
I am not waiting behind the whole church.
Please join the back of the line and wait respectfully.
Please wait until I offer it to you.
I already know what to do. Just give it to me.
Everyone must follow the same respectful process. Please lower your phone and leave this area clear.
I only need one quick picture.
Other people are waiting to come forward.
Please close that card. Prayer requests are private.
I only want to see what this person wrote.
That prayer belongs to me. Please give it back.
Let us form small prayer circles.
Let us pray. Everyone looks far too serious right now. Please be quiet. She is leading us in prayer. Please close my Bible. Those notes are personal. I was only curious about what you wrote. You should always ask before touching someone's Bible. Please take only one envelope and return the extras. They are only paper. Why does it matter? They are prepared for people who want to give.
Please step away. This instrument is not open for visitors.
I only wanted to hear what it sounded like.
You must ask before using church instruments.
Please step down. This area is being prepared. This platform gives me the perfect background. This space is prepared for a sacred ceremony. Please stop. This room is only for church staff. I only want to see what you keep in here. You must ask before entering a private church room.
Please remove that robe. It belongs to the choir.
I only need it for one picture. That robe is used for worship, not for photos. Put the bell down. The closing blessing has started. I only wanted to hear how loud it was.
Church equipment should never interrupt prayer.
That package is prepared for a family who needs help. There are many bags here. Nobody will miss one. My family has been waiting for that package. Please return that package. It belongs to the waiting family. I already picked it up, so I am keeping it.
Church donations are meant to help people in need.
Please go ahead. I will hold the door for you.
Thank you. That makes it much easier. Thank you, Emma.
You're welcome.
Good morning, Emma. Here is today's church bulletin.
Thank you. This will help me follow the service. Thank you, Emma. These items will support a local family. I hope they make someone's week a little easier.
Every thoughtful gift can make a real difference.
Thank you for silencing your phone before entering.
I do not want it to disturb anyone during worship. Quiet preparation helps everyone feel peaceful. Excuse me, where may I sit?
There is an open seat in the middle section.
Thank you. That section is comfortable and easy to reach. Excuse me, is this seat available? Yes, please sit here. The seat is free.
Could you help me find the correct page? Of course, it is right here. Thank you. We are ready to sing now. Holy, holy, my. Thank you for helping me join the hymn.
I am happy we can sing together. The singing feels peaceful today.
Did you find the passage?
Yes, I am following it here.
Let us listen carefully to these words. Does writing notes help you remember?
Yes, one clear note helps me practice the lesson later.
A lesson becomes useful when we live by it.
Kindness can help someone feel less alone.
I feel worried about a problem in my family.
We are here to support you and listen. Folded prayer requests are kept private.
Thank you. Privacy makes it easier to share honestly. This quiet space helps people feel safe.
Are you sure I may stand ahead of you?
Yes, please go first and take your time.
Thank you for keeping the line calm and respectful. Please receive this with a thankful heart.
Thank you. I am grateful. You may return through the side aisle. Would you like some support as we walk?
Yes, please. Thank you for asking first.
Take your time. The aisle is clear.
I am new here. What happens next? The next part is listed here. I can help you follow it. Church support helped me through a difficult time.
Her story is very touching.
Listening kindly can help her feel supported. Thank you for giving me a safe place to share.
Thank you.
These messages will be given to her privately.
A few kind words may help her feel encouraged. I would like to write one too.
I will be finished in just a moment.
Please take your time. I can wait.
Thank you for waiting, Emma. I will speak with you next. How can I help you?
I would like to help with the church outreach work.
Our outreach coordinator can show you where help is needed.
We need volunteers to prepare family care packages.
Bless you.
Where does everyone go after the service? The fellowship room is ahead. Visitors are welcome there. Please come in. We would be happy to meet you. Thank you. This is her first visit. I wanted her to feel welcome. Thank you. Everyone has been very kind. We are happy you are here. Please join us.
Excuse me, does the refreshment line begin here?
Yes, you may stand behind me. Thank you, everyone, for waiting patiently. Please go before me. I can wait.
Are you sure? I only need some water.
Yes, please take your time.
Thank you. Which refreshment would you like?
One small snack and a drink, please.
Will there be enough for us too?
We can leave the table ready for the next guests. I nearly forgot my cup.
Cups go here, and plates go beside them.
Where would you like me to place these items? Place the hygiene item here and the book beside it. These packages will support local families. I am glad I can help prepare them. We have another outreach day next week. I would be happy to help again. I think I would like to volunteer too. That would be wonderful. We can help together. Please go ahead. I will hold the door. Thank you, Emma. That is very thoughtful. You made my first church visit feel comfortable. Kindness and respect help everyone feel welcome.